Hey guys, welcome back. In today's episode, we're going to be taking apart the front end of this 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Basically, we got to get it ready for frame, which means we got to take off the front bumper and all the radiators and everything that's in the way of the frame rails. One of the frame rails is bent down, as you guys seen in the video, so stay with us. Alright guys, so we're trying to take the front bumper off, but this thing is smashed in so bad. There is 4 bolts on each side that are holding the front bumper. Since this is vented to the side and over there, we're probably going to end up taking the radiators off first, so it's going to be easier access to those bolts.
So this is the radiator. It would have been good, we would have used it, but the hood hinge, I think in the insurance they made a hole through it. It started leaking, so this is why we need a new radiator. It was not because of the accident, it's because they made a mistake at the, I'm pretty sure, the insurance place. So we'll need one new radiator.
Pain. It's hard to take it off. Everything's basically just crushed together. I don't know if you could get the camera in here, but the bolts are sort of at a weird angle, at an awkward angle. We can't get our tools in there to get it out, so it's gonna be a challenge.
So we got one side out. As you can see, this side pinched the bolts a little bit. We can't get to the bolts, so our best solution is just, I think, to cut it. So we're gonna go ahead and try to cut it and see if we can get out that way.
Safety glasses, but I got my dirt bike glasses, so we're just gonna send it with these.
there you go. You can see it. The frame right here. You can see the difference between that and this. So this is where it was hit. So it folded a little bit down, a little bit inside. So this is not that bad. We're gonna throw it in the frame machine. We're gonna pull it right back out. We're gonna make it look like it never happened. So our next step is going to be get this thing on frame, just so we can complete the front end and start putting it together, start working on it, start working on the build, change the color of the car. So all that we're still planning. We don't know what we're gonna do with it. So yeah, help us out on that. And that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys liked the video. Share, subscribe, and we'll be rebuilding it ready in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.